I will show you how to access the audio library of YouTube on your mobile device. To do this, you need to open the Chrome browser on your mobile device. Let me show you on my mobile screen. So here on my mobile screen, I'll go to Chrome. Once you open up Chrome, open a new tab. On top right corner, you will see the three dots. Tap on the three dots, bring out the menu, and you'll see that there is an option called desktop site. Tap on the checkbox to enable the desktop site mode in Chrome mobile browser. So once you're in desktop mode in Chrome browser, go to the website studio.youtube.com, which will lead you to the YouTube Creator Studio webpage on your mobile device. But that web page will open as a desktop page. If you have not already been logged into your Google account or your YouTube account, you will be prompted to enter your login details, or you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. I am already logged into my Google account, so my YouTube Studio page is opened on the Chrome browser. Here you see on the left side the menu bar on YouTube Studio. The last option at the bottom is the audio library option. So tap on the audio library and you will be presented with the tracks and sound effects and everything that is available on YouTube audio library that you normally access through your PC or your bigger computer. So here in the smaller screen of your mobile device, you have access to all the audio library, sound effects and music. Here you can select the desired track, or you can search the different tracks available using the search button on the top of the list. And the track you desire, if you wish to download it, tap on the track and you'll have the download option available. So tap on the download option, the track will be downloaded to your device and you can save it to your mobile device. Once you download the track to your mobile device, you can easily use it on all of your projects in your mobile phone. You can use a mobile video editor like KineMaster or Power Director for your YouTube projects using the audio tracks from YouTube audio library. The best part of YouTube audio library is that you don't have to worry about any copyright strike or copyright claim. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about mobile apps and other web services, check out my other videos. Thank you very much. See you soon.